I absolutely love bags that have a magnetic clasp. Today we're unboxing Loewe Paseo Satchel in the color Warm Desert. The name of the color Warm Desert doesn't really do it any justice, because when I think of the desert, I think of something dry and empty, and it makes me feel a little lonely. With this bag though, it's nothing like that. When I see this bag, it makes me think of warm honey. First of all, because of the color. Secondly, I absolutely love this element on the handle. It reminds me of a honey spoon, like the one that you use when you try to spoon some honey into a cup of tea. This short handle, it's so pretty, it's so cute. I love that it's rounded. You can wear it on your shoulder like this. I personally don't like wearing my bags on a shoulder, so going straight to something that I'm not completely satisfied with here is the fact that you can't remove it. So this is staying here. But what I love that they thought about, that even though you can't remove it, when you attach this longer handle, this looks completely organic. Oh, I'm definitely going to wear this bag on a longer handle as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag, just like this. I can't get enough of this. Bags with soft magnetic clasps, they give me goosebumps, the good kind. I love the interior of this bag. It's this beautiful supple suede, has an inner pocket. Let's talk a little more about the interior. It looks like this bag has a lot of space in it, but to tell you the truth, it doesn't. The best way to show you the actual size of the interior of this bag is to show you this bag. And I know it's not entirely fair, but this is a bag from Madewell. It costs about $100, give or take, depending on whether they're running one of their sales or not. I've had this bag for years and years, I'll tell you this. And actually I got this bag to finally replace my mass market bag with a designer bag. As you can see, teeny tiny bag. However, this is what I can put in it. My wallet, lipstick, my business cards, and my keys. My car keys also go in here. I still have space. And of course, I can still shove in my phone, but I can't do this because I'm recording this video on this phone. And I can still zip it. What it looks like when I put the same things into this bag. Keys, cards, credit cards, lipstick. It all fits perfectly fine. But on the inside, it looks exactly the same. I only have a little bit of space just left for my phone and my car keys. So what I'm saying here, it's not a good or a bad thing. It's just this bag and this bag on the inside are exactly the same. The other thing that is very similar, I personally found quite similar, is the leather on the Madewell bag kind of feels also pretty similar to this Loewe bag. Now this one is still new, so it's not as, it doesn't have that patina that leather bags usually tend to get in a couple of years. I get the same supple kind of feeling, and this is what amazes me, considering this bag is like a pretty high-end bag, and this is considered to be a mass market bag that you can purchase for $100. The other thing that I found very funny, that I personally found very similar, is this longer handle. It literally is made the same way, and to be entirely honest with you, I actually prefer the hardware on Madewell because it's brass to this beautiful gold hardware on Loewe, which worries me a little, and I hope it will wear well, because gold usually doesn't last as long as brass. This was meant to look more luxurious than brass. I just hope this finish lasts as long as possible. So bottom line, this is a beautiful bag. Do I really like it? Yes, I love the organic form, this pleasant supple feeling that you can squeeze it. I also love that it's minimalistic, but at the same time it has personality with these handles, for example. I love that there is an element of the equestrian style because it looks a little bit like a saddlebag, but not too much. It's very low-key. I like this color. I absolutely love all camel and brown colors, as you can see. It's neutral, but it's not too neutral. It's neutral enough not to stand out, but it's not too neutral to become boring. With the exception of the Loewe word here, there are no logos. It's very clean. Design-wise, I would say that's a beautiful everyday bag. You can style easily and you can wear with a lot of things. Quality-wise, let me show you this. Here's another flag bag that I got in spring from Bottega Veneta. And like I told you, I don't baby my bags. So let me show you a few things that are very important. So I wear this bag almost every day with very rare exceptions, or at least I used to before I got this one, and we'll see which one is going to be more popular with me. All the metal elements came in this pre-aged style. It looks vintage, it looks beautiful. All the leather is impeccable. Like, it actually is. In terms of weight, they're pretty much the same. Color-wise, this one is a little deeper, and it always used to be a little deeper. All the stitching, every little element is absolutely perfect, even though I don't treat it the way I should treat this bag. And going back to that mass market bag that I have from Madewell, to tell you the truth, I've had it for years and years. It's absolutely perfect. I can't see any scratches make this bag look bad or old or unwearable. The carabiner gets a little loose from time to time. Well, like I said, I've had this bag for 5+ years. The handle, everything's perfect. And I use this bag to walk my dogs pretty much every day. The other thing that you should pay attention to if you're planning to buy this bag, I'm a little worried that handle is a lot harder than these elements. I'm just a little worried that it will scratch itself just from friction. Right now, I'm very excited to take it out for a walk and to style it with my fall outfits. And I'm especially curious what designer bags are on your wish list right now and what designer bags you would like to see here on this channel. Thank you very much for watching.